Back at you again with another video, and today we're going to continue our discussion with the new Easy1up that has now been renamed and revamped into E1ULife, as you can see here on this page that you can find at E1U.easymoneysite.biz. And as you can see, once you're on this page, there is a video that'll briefly go over everything and pretty much sum everything up. But as you scroll down, you'll see that we are a community where you can master many areas of business with our state-of-the-art training, and we equip you with the quality products to generate an amazing income. So essentially, you're getting an e-learning platform where you can learn all the ins and outs of running an online business, all the different aspects of affiliate marketing, making commissions and your own income online, in addition to what you may already be doing. And hopefully it'll replace your current job if that is something that you're looking to do, or you could just have it running in the background. As I say, it's an e-learning environment. It's a school that you access via the internet. That's what it is, a school that teaches you online marketing, how to run an online business, or how to take an existing business online. And if we continue scrolling down here, you can see there are different learning packages. These would be your enrollment packages, and each is an e-learning curriculum. Each level covers a different level of things that you're going to need to know when it comes to running an online business or working from home, period. Being an entrepreneur, let's just call it what it is. This whole particular school is all about entrepreneurialism. As you can see from the many titles, that's not just things on running a business online, but also running you physically, so that you can be in the optimal state to be able to do this thing. You know, it's very easy to go up and get up in the morning and go to a job where you know everything is provided for you. You have a manager, the so-called boss, right? You know, telling you what you got to do. But it's a different thing when you are your own boss and you got to discipline yourself, and you have to do your own marketing. You have to get out and drum up the business and do the work. Well, Easy1up provides the training for that, but not only the training, also the opportunity, because each of these different product levels also determines the amount of income you can receive. For example, you see our highest product level is Vertex Live here that you see, and the lowest one is called the Elevation. Let's go somewhere in the middle. Let's look at let's take this Vertex Elite. As you can see, it's currently $550, and that's composed of a $500 fee for the course itself and $50 toward the administrative side, so they can keep the site updated, as they just revamped and re-updated the site recently to E1ULife and have put in all these extra trainings in it. It already had a good amount of training, but they've updated it to more recent trainings and even included other products such as a custom logo that you can get for your business you're starting, many landing page templates, email marketing templates, and opt-in templates, and social media packs. And what those things are different things that you can use to promote Easy1up itself, or should I say, I need to start calling it this now, E1ULife itself. Okay, now what do I mean by so you can promote it itself? When I said it was a school where there is an opportunity associated with the school, you can promote the school. So if you came in at this Vertex Elite level for $550, well, you would collect $500, and you would set up your payment receivable the way you get paid up in the back office. You'll see the link. You just fill out the information on how you want to get paid, and you can receive instant commissions, instant pay. You can receive it. You can also receive payment via Bitcoin if you so choose, which is also an instant pay form method. Now, the compensation plan is interesting. It works like this. Okay. If you come in at whatever package, regardless, you'll be able to make those 100% commissions. But however, the second sale that you make is going to go up to the person that sponsors you. This is that one-up aspect. This is why the original name of the company was known as Easy1up. The E1U part is still there. There's still the one-up part there because of the leverage of this force. Now you may say, well, it sounds like to me I'm giving up a second sale. Well, you are, but here's the thing. Everyone that you bring in, whether it's 10 people or whether it's 1,000 people that you bring in, their second sales are going to come up to you, and then their people's second sales are going to come up to you. You see how that creates a compounding thing with all these people's second sales coming up to you. That's the magic of that one-up part. That's the magic of it. That's why this is so lucrative, and it's been going on 7 years strong now, producing thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions for so many people from all different walks of life, from all over the globe. They've been profiting with Easy1up. Now, Easy1up had a little lag while we were going through this revamping thing. Like I said, we just uploaded we updated everything. The site, even the name, even the color pattern, everything. I'm going to show you a brief look into the back office. So we can just go ahead and shrink my size here, and let's from the main dashboard here, and you can see your links that are coded directly to you. You have 2 sales page link and an opt-in page, which allows you to build your list. It's simply a page that gets people's information, and you also have an autoresponder built in here. As you can see here, it says autoresponder. You click on that, and you can actually set up your email marketing campaigns. You set up a first campaign here, and you put in all the emails you want to go out at their preset times. You can put in 30, you can put in 50 emails. They can go out once a day, once every other day. You control that, right? And that's how you build your list and contact and communicate with your subscribers in an automated fashion. We do that with an autoresponder. And we also have a 30-day blueprint that you're definitely going to want to check out. What happens is our new director, Mr. Dwayne Goldman, he's going to take you through a full blueprint on how to get everything set up, what you need to become familiar with in your back office, all those different things, how it's set up, how to set this up, how to do this, where you find stuff. You want to know what your office looks like, right? You're coming into your job for the first day. What is the first thing they do? They give you a tour around the place, right? They show you where everything's at. They don't want you to be lost. They tell you who's the important people you need to talk to, where you go to for support, all those things. How you do your job. Well, those are the things that you're going to find in this 30-day blueprint section. Now, if we go on to my products, you'll see exactly how the products look. Just a second while it loads up. And you'll see here on the right side, there's different titles here. These are the titles of the lessons within this particular product package, this particular e-learning course package. These are different lessons that you're going to get a hold of, and all you do, once you click on one of them, it'll show up here, and you just press play. Just press play. See this one on media buying. Here we click on media buying. Just give it a couple of seconds. This one alone. So just think of all the different lessons, and for each product class, there's a whole bunch of these lessons, and each one plus downloads per particular level. Each level has a different set of downloads that you will be able to access. Those are those opt-in templates, those squeeze page templates, those special pay landing page templates, the social media packs, the email marketing templates. Each product level has a different type of downloads associated with it. But these are not some rinky-dinky trainings that were just thrown together. This is very high quality, well put together trainings. It's like you're going to be in a class. You're in a university. You've come to hear the professor speak and teach. These videos is going to be your professors. This is how you learn. This is an e-learning course. And as I said, depending on which product level you come at, you can also promote E1ULife and receive up to that amount. In this case, you can receive up to $500. But there's also a twist. If we go back to the dashboard, you're going to notice there's something here that says make the smart choice and subscribe today. What is this about? Earn your commissions plus the company administrative fee when you subscribe to the smart choice. So what's the smart choice? Okay, here it is. Remember I said that each product level has also an admin fee. For example, that Vertex Elite was $550. You get $500, but $50 automatically goes to the administration. Well, if you subscribe to the smart choice, you will pay an additional $25 every month. But what that $25 a month gets you is the ability to earn the full $550. So you will get the administration fees as well on all those product packages. So instead of $500, you'll get the $550. And if you would come in, say, at the next level, at that $1,000 level, which costs a total of $1,100, where you would get a total of $1,100 because you took the smart choice. But that's optional. You don't have to pay the monthly smart choice fee. You can just pay your one-time fee, and if you're at Vertex Elite, for example, well, you would get $500 instead of $550. No big deal, right? It depends on you how much you want to maximize your earnings. That's the type of choice that E1ULife provides you. This is an awesome opportunity for anybody who comes on in. I tell you, once again, you can go to e1u.easymoneysite.biz and we can get you going right away. I'm here for you. I'm William Caleb Rogers, William C. Rogers, William Caleb. You will hear me be referred to as all those names. Sometimes some people just call me Caleb. Sometimes people just call me Weez, my nickname. Hey, we can't choose our nicknames, right? That's something that was given to us before we were born, most of us, when we were young. But anyway, I don't want to get too far off the subject. Just want to let you know I'm here for you. I'll help you set up everything, all of your opt-in pages. I'll do that for you for being a member. When you're coming in with me, especially on those Vertex levels, you don't have to worry about anything. You come in and pick your product package level. You go ahead and study your product, do your training, and use your training. You may already have something going online. I don't know. You could use this to further that and make some additional income on the side, or with this, or you could just use E1ULife by itself. Training is awesome. We have the marketing materials, and when you get with me, William C. Rogers, I also have tons and tons of places where you can advertise your E1U links at. I'm telling you, this is it. This is what you need. William Caleb, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe. I got more trainings, more opportunities coming your way, more help coming your way. I got it all for you right here. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.